In this video, I will walk through how to effectively utilize the ElevenLabs API. Let's get started. Before we get started, if you find this video useful, we'd love for you to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support inspires us to continue creating high-quality content. So, to begin, open your web browser and search for ElevenLabs API on Google. The top result should direct you to their official API website at 11lb.io API. Click on this link to access their platform. The next step involves obtaining your API key. Click on the API reference section and proceed to sign up using your Google account. Once signed up, you'll be redirected to the dashboard where you should create your user profile. Now, navigate to the Resources or API Reference section for comprehensive documentation. Specifically, under Text-to-Speech, you'll find detailed guides on integrating ElevenLabs into your projects. Whether you're developing videos or text-to-speech applications, this API offers robust functionality. For Python enthusiasts, the ElevenLabs Python library is available on their GitHub page. Simplify your API integration by installing it via pip install ElevenLabs and importing it into your project. Detailed usage examples are provided to facilitate seamless implementation. If you need to extend your API capabilities beyond the basic features, you can easily obtain a free API key from ElevenLabs. Follow their step-by-step guide to effectively access and utilize your API key. That wraps up our tutorial on leveraging the ElevenLabs API. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Discover a wealth of tutorials and resources covering diverse topics at MediaMagnetGuide.com.